In 2026, electric bikes are revolutionizing how we ride, and we've picked 10 standout models to showcase. We'll look at performance, value, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and first comment. Let's dive in, reviewing each model in order. First up, meet our initial contender. Our first product is the adult fat tire electric bike with a 1500-watt peak motor. This model is perfect for those who crave speed and endurance. With a top speed of 28 mph and a range of up to 60 miles, it's designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The 26-inch all-terrain tires and lockable suspension ensure a smooth ride on any surface, making it versatile for varied terrains. Its 7-speed gears offer flexibility in handling different inclines and terrains with ease, enhancing your riding experience. The robust build and design make it ideal for both men and women, offering a sturdy yet comfortable ride. For those seeking a well-rounded e-bike that balances power with practicality, this model hits the mark. Next up, we have the 6,000-watt peak dual-motor e-bike. This beast is built for speed enthusiasts, reaching up to 45 mph. Its 58-volt max output 34-hour battery supports a remarkable range of up to 100 miles, perfect for long-distance travelers. The 24-inch fat tires and lockable suspension provide stability and comfort, even on snowy or off-road paths. This model's powerful dual motors make it a top pick for those who need performance without compromise. Its rugged design and advanced features cater to serious riders who demand the best from their e-bike. If you're looking for power and endurance wrapped in a sleek package, this model is a game-changer. Our third model is the electric bike for adults with a 1,000-watt peak motor. It's compact yet powerful, perfect for urban settings. With a top speed of 35 mph and a range between 40 to 60 miles, it's ideal for city commutes and short trips. Its 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires offer excellent traction and comfort, making it a reliable choice for various terrains. The removable 48-volt 16Ah battery enhances convenience, allowing easy charging and prolonged rides. Equipped with mechanical brakes and 7-speed Shimano gears, it offers both safety and flexibility. This model is perfect for those who need a balance of power and portability in their daily rides. Fourth on our list is the electric dirt bike with a 3,000-watt peak motor, designed for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts. It boasts a top speed of 42 mph and a range exceeding 80 miles, perfect for adventurous rides. The 20-inch fat tires and full hydraulic brakes ensure safety and control on rugged terrains. Its removable 60-volt 27-amp-hour battery allows for extended rides without frequent charging interruptions. This bike's robust build and powerful motor cater to both teens and adults looking for excitement. For those who love dirt trails and mountain paths, this bike delivers both power and fun. Our fifth model is the Jetson Bolt electric bike, a compact and convenient choice for urban riders. With a top speed of 15.5 mph and a range of up to 15 miles, it's perfect for short commutes. The easy folding design and built-in carrying handle make it extremely portable and user-friendly. Equipped with foot pegs and twist throttle, it offers a simple yet effective riding experience. The cruise control feature adds to its appeal, providing a relaxed riding option for city dwellers. Ideal for those seeking a lightweight, easy-to-carry e-bike, this model excels in practicality. Next is the folding electric bike for adults and teens, featuring a 400 watts peak motor for efficient rides. It reaches a maximum speed of 23 mph and offers a range of up to 25 miles, suitable for daily commutes. The 14-inch mini e-bike design is perfect for navigating through tight city streets and crowded areas. With a 36-volt 10-amp-hour battery, it provides a reliable power source for short to medium-length rides. Its folding capability ensures easy storage and transport, making it a great urban commuter bike. For those who need a compact and efficient ride, this model is a smart choice. Seventh on our list is the Stacy C12 eDrive electric balance bike, perfect for young riders aged 3 to 5. It's designed to introduce kids to the world of biking with a safe and controlled experience. The lightweight frame and easy-to-use controls make it ideal for teaching balance and coordination. Parents will appreciate its focus on safety, ensuring peace of mind as their children learn to ride. This model is a fantastic starting point for young adventurers, paving the way for future biking fun. If you're looking to spark a child's love for biking, this balance bike is an excellent choice. Next up, we have the Stacy brushless 16E Drive electric balance bike, aimed at kids aged 5 to 7. This model builds on the smaller version, offering more power and stability for growing riders. The brushless motor provides a smooth ride, encouraging kids to develop their biking skills further. Its sturdy design and easy handling make it a reliable choice for young riders ready for the next step. Parents can trust its safety features, allowing children to explore their biking potential confidently. For those looking to support their child's biking journey, this balance bike is an ideal pick. Ninth on our list is the Bafang G62 48-volt 750-watt fat tire e-bike conversion kit, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. This kit allows you to transform your regular bike into a powerful e-bike with ease. The 20 x 4-inch rear wheel and 175mm hub spacing accommodate a variety of bike frames. It's compatible with cassette sprockets and disc brakes, providing flexibility and customization. The powerful motor ensures a boost in performance, enhancing your biking experience significantly. For those eager to customize their ride, this conversion kit opens up a world of possibilities. Last but not least is the Razor MX500 Dirt Rocket bike, designed for teens age 14 and above. It features a 175-pound max weight limit and reaches speeds of up to 15 mph, ideal for off-road fun. The 36-volt battery provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use, perfect for short excursions. Its twist-grip throttle and pneumatic tires offer a realistic and enjoyable riding experience. This model is perfect for young riders who love outdoor adventures and dirt trails. In conclusion, each product we've highlighted today truly stands out in its own right.